You don't need fancy software or a professional accountant to get started. But let me be clear. Accountants play a vital role in business success. This video is here to help you build good habits and understand your numbers before you bring in the pros. Hi everyone, welcome back to Accounting Easily channel. Today we are diving into a super practical topic: how to track your business expenses, even if you are not an accountant. Whether you are running a small business, freelancing, or just starting out, this video will help you stay organized and in control of your finances. Step 1. Separate business and personal expenses. First things first, open a separate bank account for your business. Mixing personal and business expenses make tracking a nightmare. Once you separate them, you'll feel instantly more in control, like your business finally has its own identity. Step 2. Choose a tracking method. You have got options. Use a spreadsheets, Google Sheet or Excel. Try free apps like Wave, Zoho Books or even Notion, or go old school with a notebook if that's worked for you. The key is consistency. Pick one method and stick with it. It's not about perfection, it's about building a habit. Step 3. Record every expense. Every time you spend money for your business, record it. Include dates, amount, category, description. This helps you spot patterns, avoid surprises, and feel confident when reviewing your finances. Step 4. Categorize smartly. Use simple categories like office supplies, marketing, travel, meals and entertainment, software and subscriptions. This makes it easier to analyze your spending and prepare for taxes. Think of categories as your financial map. They show you where your money is going. Step 5. Review weekly or monthly. Set a time, weekly or monthly, to review your expenses. Look for trends, overspendings, or area to cut back. This habit builds financial awareness and helps you make smarter decisions. It's like checking your business pulse: quick, regular, and repeating. Bonus tip: save receipts. Keep digital or physical copies of receipts. Apps like Evernote, Google Drive, or even your phone camera can help. This is especially useful if you ever work with an accountant or need to file taxes. Receipts are your proof. They protect you and keeps things transparent. Tracking expenses doesn't have to be complicated. Start small, stay consistent, build confidence, and when your business grows, bring in the pros to take things to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumb up, subscribe, share it with someone who's starting their business journey. See you in the next video.